It's a 42 Viking Sport Tower joystick docking maneuver. It's got the joystick going.
It's a parts push assembly.
Correct. Walking the boat sideways. Walking the boat sideways, lining it up. Little twist of the joystick to adjust. She'll do whatever you tell her to do.
She's done this a few times.
It certainly looks easy. I'm sure
You grab those bow lines first. You grab those first.
And Ron, it's all in the touch. Like, you put that joystick hard over, she'll go.
Right.
But you just find that little sweet spot, she'll do whatever you tell her to do.
You'll teach me, right, Mike?
Absolutely. No reason to panic or get crazy. Just adjust the joystick.
That's a lot of torque. He just taps at you. You
Slide it right in.
feel her dig in. You feel the boat sinking.
Thank you very much.